Alright, go, go. Go, 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 go. Oh my god. I'm back up. Bro. He's like, oh, I can't work. Um. Too much GNC, bro. Hey, I'm in a white. I'm in a. Look at. Oh! Oh my god, it's going slowly. It's going slow. Oh my. It's working! But it's flying everywhere. I'm just a break in one. Oh my. Oh my. Oh. Mr. Beast did that. Yeah, Mr. Beast did that. Mr. Beast did that. My look at it's struggling to explode. It's like it's pausing. My look at it. Okay. Wow. I'm in the TNT. It's just paused. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Wait, Chris, how many did you? Oh, I didn't know you put that much. 20. Bro, I think this might explode the world. Wait, I can't fly anymore. Wait, why can't I fly anymore? Wait, I can't fly. Okay, now I can. Bro, I'm in McDonald's and playing Minecraft. I'm recording for 2 minutes. Oh, whoa! It hasn't even done anything yet, though. It probably will when it's over. It will when it's over, probably. Yeah, it doesn't. It just launches in the sky. That's why. Oh, oh, oh! It's raining TNT. Oh, wait, you know you can make a TNT, like a dropper, TNT dropper, so you flip a lever and TNT drop. Apex. Mark Rober. It's almost done. It's almost done. Bro, it's not even doing anything, man. You see those mountains over there? I think those might be hit at least. Maybe, no, never mind. I think so. So you see that? Oh, oh, whoa, oh my God! All right, you see me? Follow me, follow me, follow me. I'm moving and like, oh my God! I'm gonna just stand in the TNT. I've been recording for 4 minutes now. I can't stop flying. Whoa! Oh my God! Wait, it's almost done. Oh my! Wait, mine didn't. Oh, oh, oh my God! Oh my! Oh. I don't think they're gonna hit the mountains actually. It didn't even do anything. Bro, one block of TNT does more than this. And look at this damage, man. Oh my God. It's still going, is it for you? Yeah, barely for me. It's barely going for me. Alright, now it's actually going. Alright, now it's going fast. That's it. Whoa! Whoa, it did way more. It did 27,000 TNT blocks just to find one cave. Oh, I found a ravine. Oh, that would have been insane. So we set 27,000 TNT blocks just to find one cave.